Hello, how are you doing? Today we've got another review of dash camera. I've just received dash camera for review, so thank you very much, and let's have a look what's inside. There is like a piece of paperwork with it, and of course it says, come on, focus. Focus, yeah, we've got focus. Toguard Full HD 1080p. So break seal. Here. All it says around it just says dash camera. So I don't have a clue what's inside. 1080p dash camera. Instruction is in Chinese and in English. That's good. That's very good. It's using class 6 or higher and bigger than 8 gigs of micro SD card, so you need pretty decent card for it. Well, that's not a problem. Price is going down, so it's not as expensive as years ago. Of course, packaging is maybe not very luxury, but camera looks alright. So we've got 1080p camera, Toguard, yeah, big lens on it. Let's have a look, is it working? I'll just turn off light because we don't need it. Good, nice animation. Of course, no SD card. I'll pop SD card in and I'll make a test video as well. So it's got menu here. Of course, standard menu, loop recording, WDR, exposure. You can modify everything. G sensor, date stamp, stuff like this. Resolution, loop recording. And then some settings, date, time, car registration number, auto power off, beep sound, language, TV mode, frequency, backlight, lamp recording, format, default setting, version, that's click OK here, that's version of it. Right, so that's goodbye animation. So looks pretty decent. There is a memory card slot on side of it. There is a power port, USB, and microphone. That's a microphone, HDMI port, and TV out, I believe, or something. AV says on it. So that's camera itself. Then we've got mounts, section mount for it, standard mounts. So let's try, because I hope it's working good. Not too bad. Good enough for a car. Pretty good plastic. Looks okay for this price. This price range is not too bad. And then we've got, of course, USB wire, and of course very long wire and a car charger. So that's to install in your car. So I'll pop my memory card in and I'll make a test video. So thanks for watching, and after this you'll see test video of it. I'll just connect it with my, oh, I can take that plastic off from this lens. Let's take it off before I'll install it in my car. Yep. It's got even zoom, so you can zoom on things. Oh, decent little camera. Toguard. So I think that's a speaker, and yeah, not too bad. So I'll put some specs under my movie, and thank you. Well, that's a test video of Toguard HD camera, 1080p dash cam by Toguard. Somebody sent it to me last week for review, I believe. There was business card as well, things like this, asking for review. So here you go, buddy. You got that. I'll make a review of it, and I hope you'll be happy, and I'm happy. I've got 3 cameras, so you know, can be better. So, you know, not too bad at all. Free dash cam for review, and you know, that's good camera actually. First time I've actually received something for review. So whoever sent it to me, thank you very much. And I'm going through some shadows. I've got sun. I've got direct sun actually, so you can see the camera how it's working in different lighting conditions, and you know, I hope you like it, and thank you. See you later, boys.